Hey everyone, this is going to be a brief demonstration on how to use the ThePathMostTraveled app. First thing you're going to want to do is register. Once you register, you're going to be taken to the Set User Image page where you can select your profile picture. This looks good. I like Rick and Morty. Alright, now you're going to have to re-log in. rick@gmail.com. Okay, now this is the home page. From here you see we have the tabs Settings, Tours, Friends, and Rankings. Settings tab, you can set your user image, update user info such as change username, change display name, or change password. From the Friends tab, you can view all the users in the database. You can search for a friend, Eric. Oops. These are all the users that have Eric in the name. So I can go ahead and add Eric as a friend, and you'll see he's in my friends list. Click on that. I can go to his page and see he has some friends, and he has a tour. So if I want to view his tour, I'll save it, and it'll appear on my tours page. Before we get to that, I want to show you the rankings tab. On this tab, it ranks all the tours. Every time a user completes a tour, the tour will accumulate points. And same with users. Users are also ranked. Every time a user completes a tour or gets to a stop, they gain points, and they're ranked in the database based on how many points they have. So for the tours page, you can view your tours, and I have Eric's tour here. You can look at that. Very simple tour, 1 and 2. Description, E-Rock, and map. Here's the map of the tour. Not a crazy tour, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm not very interested in this tour, so I'm going to go ahead and make my own tour. I'm going to name this engineering tour. Tour of engineering buildings at USC. And then I can select a picture for the tour. I have some downloaded. I'll use a Swearingen, picture of Swearingen. I can add locations. The first location is going to be Swearingen, fitting. I'm not going to go crazy with the descriptions for time's sake. But the purpose of these descriptions is to explain what the stop is all about. So like if someone was actually using this for a tour, they could learn about each stop along the tour. So I'm going to click next, and you can click my location to get your location. I'm not at the engineering building, but I'm close by. Here it is right here. Click on it. Next. Add a picture of it. Boom. Save the stop. You'll notice you can't save this map until you have more than 2 locations, or more than 1 location added to the tour. So I'm going to add the lofts, because that's right by Swearingen. It's not really an engineering building, but it's close by. Next, right here. Boom, that picture. Save stop. We'll add one more. Add the Innovation Center. Alright. Next, that is right here. Boom. Boom. Save stop. Now I want to click save. It's going to take you back to the home screen. And now you can view that tour. Engineering tour. Here's the locations, description, and the map of the tour. And now I want to go take the tour. I'm going to click take tour. You can see the stops along the tour. Click open Google Maps. And I'm not at Swearingen, the first stop yet, so it's going to tell me how to get to Swearingen, just point A. Then from point A, Google Maps will take us to point B, and then from there to point C, the final stop. So I'm going to head on over to Swearingen, and we're actually going to take the tour so you can see how this app works in action. Okay, so here we are at Swearingen. We've already created the tour. There's a description, map. There's where we are on the map. As you can see, we can check in at Swearingen. Perfect. As you can see, we cannot check in at the other 3 locations because we have not arrived there yet. So here we go, started the tour. As you can see, our first stop is the lofts. I'm just going to fast forward through all this so you don't have to watch us walking around.
The lofts are literally right there. According to Google Maps. Yeah, let's follow the tour here. Wait, are you taking the same tour? No, I'm just taking my friend.
Yeah, and then you can emphasize like how quickly you can switch between tours.
Okay, so here we are at the lofts. Checked in. Now we're heading to the first Innovation Center. Okay, we're at the Innovation Center. Checked in. Perfect. So now we're on our way to the second Innovation Center, the last stop on the tour. As you can see, there's a little description underneath the Innovation Center explaining what it is. That was entered in by Sebastian. Okay, here we are at the second Innovation Center. Should I get close enough so the phone knows that we have made it to the destination? And there we go. Done. Tour completed.